Christmas 1927 was marked by one of the most memorable snowstorms in history. Stretching across parts of the United States and Europe, the snowstorm blanketed cities and countryside in feet of snow, creating both chaos and beauty. In the US, heavy snowfall disrupted transportation, leaving many stranded, but inspiring acts of kindness as communities came together. Across Europe, the storm transformed towns into picturesque winter landscapes, sparking stories of holiday resilience and togetherness. The Great Snowstorm of 1927 turned Christmas into a magical yet challenging celebration, reminding us of the power of nature and the enduring spirit of the season. Don't forget to subscribe for more holiday stories and let the legacy of this snowy Christmas warm your heart.